Harry writes regularly about recent issues in his blog and recently noticed a decay in the numbers of readers. So, to re-engage the readers, he decided to start an automated email newsletter campaign. How did Harry do that? Let's see. Harry starts the procedure from the FluentCRM dashboard, where he can get a complete overview of recent stats. Need any information? It's right there. Then he selected the recurring campaigns from the emails. What next? First thing first, he clicked on the Create New Recurring Campaign to initiate the campaign setup process. Next, he set a name to his campaign. Following that comes the frequency of his campaign. Since it's a newsletter campaign, he decided to go with the weekly option. According to his analysis, his subscribers are mostly active on Monday in the afternoon, so he selected the day and time accordingly. Before moving into the next step, Harry decides to untick the automatic email sending option so that he can check the draft before it goes out to his recipients. Now it's time for Harry to set the conditions. Since Harry only wants to reach out to his audience with blog posts, he selected the blog post and set the days to 7. By doing that, the audience will receive emails with blogs published within the previous 7 days. The following step is to choose the recipients. He wanted to send emails to all subscribers. This is why he chose all the lists. But if he wanted, he could send it to a specific group of people based on list or tags, dynamic segment, or to specific groups using advanced filter. With that, time has come to click on the Create Recurring Campaign. Next comes the part that will interact with Harry's subscribers, the email. Here, Harry provides a catchy subject line that will draw the attention of the user. He adds an email pre-header as well. It's time to set the email body. He started with a heading and a paragraph to provide relevant information. Then, to attach his most recent blog post to the email body directly, he brought the latest post blog to his email. It comes with so many fascinating customization options that Harry is almost spoiled for choice. Harry selected the type of post as post and adjusted the order from newest to oldest as he only wants to broadcast the newest updates from his blog. Further, he specified the number posts want to show and the layout. Not only that, using the toggle button below, he decided not to show the images and limited the excerpt to 20 words. Then he changed the colors of contents, aligning to his brand color. Done with all that, Harry saved all the changes and chose to preview the email using the I button at the top. Harry also decided to send a test email to himself to see how the email looks on the user's inbox. Finally, Harry decided to take his newsletter campaign into action by making it live. Harry's intelligent approach not only earned him his readers back, but also engaged a lot of new readers because most of them liked freshly brewed contents. Want to boost blog engagement like Harry? Get FluentCRM Pro and create an automated newsletter today.